This kid's coloring book has generated over $100,000 in passive income and is still creating hundreds of dollars per day. In this video, you are going to learn how you can also make these giant amounts of passive income for yourself with ChatGPT and Midjourney-AI. This video is going to be very interesting because I will explain the complete process of creating an ebook with ChatGPT to creating high-quality illustrations on Midjourney-AI. What you will enjoy more about this video is that you can just sit back and let the ChatGPT and Midjourney-AI create this amazing color book. So, if you are truly interested in attaining your financial freedom, you don't want to miss this one because I guarantee, after learning this process, you will become filthy rich. Before I can teach you how to start this business, allow me to show you a couple of products so that you can see for yourself the crazy amount of money these products are making. So, the first product is this book. As you can see, this book has 1,558 ratings, and if we multiply that by $12.79, we see that it has had more than $19,000 in passive income. Mind-blowing, right? The same case is with this product. It has made over $15,000 in passive income and is still making more. Pretty massive amounts of income, right? Now that you know the value of a coloring book, why not start the same business yourself and earn thousands of dollars per day? I know it seems difficult, but don't worry, my friend. After you watch this video, you will be a master at creating coloring books and earn thousands of dollars a day with them. So, the first step you need to take is picking a niche, which is very easy when you have ChatGPT. All you got to do is just ask ChatGPT to give you some ideas for creating a coloring book like this, and it will give you brilliant ideas. I like the first idea of the animal coloring book, so I won't disturb ChatGPT anymore and move on with it. Also, from here you can niche this down into something more specific, like dogs or cats. If you want to create a coloring book about dogs, well and good. If not, you can always choose another animal. This time we will go with creating a dog coloring book. But before creating your book, research the existing ones in the market and learn about the good and bad reviews of the product so that you can add more value to your product. Learning about the good and bad reviews gives you an edge over your competitors, and this way you can create an improved product. So to research the products you want to make, head to Amazon and search for what you want to make. These are the results you will get. Remember, you can always target a selected audience if you want to be more specific. This time we are going with adult coloring books, so I picked this book. Here you can analyze this product and learn to improve your own. To analyze the product, first you need to look for good reviews. So after reading all the good reviews, I made sure to include all the good aspects of this product on my own. Now, to add real quality to your product, bad reviews are the most important ones. So I looked for some bad reviews and found that this buyer complains about the product as too crowded with coloring patterns and this is stressful. So one thing you should make sure of while creating your product is not to make more patterns in the drawings. You should read as many bad reviews as possible and use them because it will make your product stand out. Now that you know what you are making, the next step is to create the content for the book. And if you don't know it already, allow me to tell you that ChatGPT can do that. Just head to ChatGPT once again and ask it to give you a list of similar dog breeds that you can include in the coloring book. We are going to make 50 pages of coloring book, so we will ask for a list of 50 breeds like this. And it will give you a list of dogs. You might be thinking now, how would we make images from this list? Don't worry, let me show you. To change the list into perfect images for the coloring book, all you need to do is go to Midjourney-AI, which is an AI tool that can create beautiful and accurate images from any list of objects or descriptions. With Midjourney-AI, you can transform any set of data into stunning visual representations that are perfect for a coloring book or any creative project. Its powerful computer vision technology and machine learning algorithms make it easy to generate high-quality images that capture the essence of your data. So let me show you how to change these lists into images. For this, you would need the paid version of Midjourney-AI, which offers advanced features and capabilities for image generation. With the paid version of Midjourney-AI, which is $10 a month, you can access a range of powerful tools, including custom image styles, advanced filters, and high-resolution output options. But you can also create the images with the free version. All you need to do is create a free Discord account and then sign in for a free account in Midjourney. But again, with the free version, you can create a limited number of images, and you will be placed in a group where anyone would see your images. To create the image, all you need to do is just say / imagine and write what you want to create. So the prompt in this case would be / imagine coloring page for adults, Labrador Retriever dog image, white background, clean line art, fine line art. AR 2:3. The AR stands for aspect ratio, which tells the AI the size of the image needed to fit the page. And 2:3 ratio is the perfect ratio to fit a standard sheet of paper. So when the image is created, 2 rows of buttons will appear. In the top row, U1, U2, U3, and U4. These buttons are used to upscale your image, which means creating a larger image of it. In the bottom row, there is V1, V2, V3, and V4. These buttons create 4 new variations, similar in overall style and composition to your selected image. So to recap, clicking on U1 will upscale the first image, and clicking on V1 will create a new variation of the first image. I liked this image and downloaded it into a folder. You can repeat the same process for every page in your book, and you will get 50 images in no time. Now you can go to Canva and design the book. So open Canva and then create a custom project with the dimensions 8.5 and 11 inches. The first thing you should do is add this belongs to page, which you can do very easily by drag and drop. After this, upload all the images created by Midjourney and drag the images one by one on the pages. Doing this, you will create the book in no time. You can download the book in PDF form very easily by clicking on Share, PDF, and Download. Always remember to download the file in CMYK for the best print quality. Now the book is complete, but we still have one part remaining, which is making the cover image for the book. To make the cover, first go to the Amazon cover calculator. After putting in the necessary information, you will get the right dimension for your cover. Again, let's pop to Midjourney and apply the prompt / dog multicolor Labrador Retriever AR 2:3. And this will give you 4 different images like this. Now you can pick any image from here that you like. After picking the image and downloading it, head to Canva again and create a custom project with dimensions 17.345 and 11.25. Upload the image you created to Canva and paste it over the page. It will cover half of the page, and you can pick the same color as the image to make the cover on both sides look the same as the image. Now, write a good title over the cover and add the necessary text. On the back of the cover, add an image to give the customer an idea of what they will buy. Make sure you do not cover the whole page because Amazon will place their barcode as well. Voila! You just created an amazing coloring book. After this, head to Amazon and follow these steps to upload the book and set it for sale. First, log into your Amazon KDP Kindle Direct Publishing account. Then, click on the Create a New Title button. Fill in the necessary details about your book, such as the title, author's name, description, keywords, and categories. Also, upload your manuscript and cover design files. Preview your book to make sure everything looks good. Then, set your book's price and royalty rate. Choose which territories you want to make your book available in. Click Publish to make your book available for sale on Amazon. Now you can sleep tight and let Amazon do the extra work. Your earning era starts now, so don't wait and make a run for it. While you run, make sure you share this idea with your dear ones as well. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative and entertaining. If you did, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts and feedback. I love hearing from our viewers. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Income Booster and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.